Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to send a Microsoft Teams meeting invite. Let's have a look now. Open your Microsoft Teams application on your computer. In the left sidebar, click on the Calendar tab. This is where you will manage your meetings. Once in the calendar, click on the New Meeting button. This will open a new meeting window where you can set up your meeting details. In the new meeting window, add the participants by typing their name or email addresses in the Add Participants field. You can also select participants from your team's contact. Once you have filled the necessary details, click on the Send button to send out the meeting invite. Participant will receive an email notification and see the meeting in their Teams calendar. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. Graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.